You're driving, maybe on your way home from work or running an errand, when suddenly, out of nowhere, another car crashes into you. Your heart is racing, adrenaline is pumping, and before you know it, your whole world has changed instantly. What happens next? What should you do? How do you protect your rights? I'm Ed Rosenthal, and I've been handling car and motorcycle accident cases in Connecticut since 1993. I've helped countless clients navigate the legal process after an accident. Today, I will walk you through everything you need to know about car accidents in Connecticut. So if you ever find yourself in this unfortunate situation, you'll be prepared. If you find this information helpful, follow or reach out for a free consultation. Let's get into it. The first point I want to talk to you about is understanding Connecticut's personal injury laws after a car accident. Connecticut follows a fault-based system for car accidents. This means that the person responsible for the crash is also responsible for paying damages. This is usually done through insurance claims, but lawsuits can be filed to recover compensation if necessary. Some key things to know. You generally have 2 years from the accident date to file a personal injury lawsuit. Connecticut follows comparative negligence. This means if you're partially at fault, your compensation could be reduced by your percentage of fault. Insurance companies often try to settle quickly, but once you accept a settlement, you can't ask for money later, even if new injuries appear later. This is why having an experienced attorney can make all the difference in getting the compensation that you truly deserve. Second point, after an accident, these are the steps you should take. Your actions immediately after a crash can significantly impact your ability to recover damages. Here's what you should do. First, get medical attention right away. Some injuries may take hours or days to appear, even if you feel fine right after the accident. Second, gather evidence. Take photos of your vehicle, take photos of any visible injuries, and the accident scene itself. Third, get witness information. A witness's statements can be crucial later on. Contact an attorney as soon as possible. The sooner you have legal representation, the stronger your case will be. I have worked closely with my clients from day one, helping them with car repairs, getting medical treatment, and navigating insurance claims to ensure they get what they deserve. Let me give you a real example of a case that I handled recently. I had a case recently for Mr. Rivera. The client got the name of a witness who stopped to help him when the accident happened. I had my investigator get a written statement from this witness, and I was able to use the written statement to convince the other person's insurance company to accept responsibility, which they had been refusing to do because their customer denied responsibility for causing the accident. Every case is unique, but one thing remains. You deserve to be treated fairly and compensated fully for your losses. A car accident can be life-changing, but you don't have to go through it alone. From medical care to lost wages to the stress of dealing with insurance companies, I'm here to handle all of it so you could focus on your recovery. If you or a loved one have been in an accident, don't wait. Call me today for a free consultation. Let's discuss your case, ensure you get the justice and compensation you deserve. Stay safe, drive carefully, and remember that if the unexpected happens, I'll be there to help you.